In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find journals on Xero. If you're new to Xero, or even if you're a seasoned user navigating through its features, to find something specific like journals can sometimes feel like you're trying to find a needle in a haystack. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Today I'll walk you through each step so you can easily locate your journals within minutes. Whether you're reconciling accounts, auditing, or just need to review your financial transactions, understanding how to access your journals in Xero is crucial. First things first, let's head over to Xero, open your favorite web browser, type in the Xero website and hit enter. We're starting on the home page of Xero, the gateway to all its features and where your journey to finding journals begins. Next, you'll need to log into your account. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the home page. It's your entry point into your financial world on Xero, so click on it to proceed. Now the system will prompt you to enter your login credentials. This is where you type in your email and password associated with your Xero account. Be sure to double check your details for accuracy. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there's usually a link to reset it. Once you've entered your information, go ahead and click on the Login button. This will take you directly to your Xero dashboard, where all your financial information and tools are neatly organized. Once logged in, you're going to navigate to the Accounting section. If you're not immediately sure where that is, look for the main navigation bar or menu. Accounting will be among the options. Websites may update their layout, but accounting is a core feature, so it won't be hard to find. Click on it to uncover the various accounting features and tools available to you. Now that you're in the accounting section, your next step is to find the manual journals option. This might sound a bit technical if you're not used to it, but it essentially refers to the manual entries you or your accountant might enter into Xero to keep track of non-standard transactions. Click on manual journals to proceed, and here comes an important step. Clicking on all. What this does is it gives you a comprehensive view of all the journals you've created, or that have been generated by Xero in the course of your financial transactions. This includes everything, so it's a great way to get a bird's eye view of your journal entries. By now, you should be looking at a list of all your journals in Xero. It's a simple process, but there are a few tips and tricks worth mentioning to make your life even easier. First, if you're looking for a specific journal or transaction, make use of the search and filter options. Xero provides powerful search tools that allow you to narrow down your list based on criteria like dates, amounts, or keywords. It's an efficient way to quickly get to the information you need without having to manually comb through entries. Another useful tip is to get familiar with the layout and details presented in the list of journals. Each entry contains valuable information at a glance, such as the date, description, and amount. Clicking on a specific journal entry will give you more details, and from there you can edit or review the information as necessary. Remember, setting aside some time to regularly review your journals in Xero can provide you with insights into your financial health and help you catch any discrepancies early on. It might seem like a small part of managing your finances, but it's an essential practice for maintaining accurate and transparent financial records. And there you have it. That's how you find journals on Xero in just a few clicks. Whether you're a business owner, a freelancer, or an accountant, knowing how to navigate and utilize this feature can save you time and offer deeper insights into your financial data. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I hope it has demystified the process of finding journals on Xero for you, and that you're now more comfortable navigating the platform. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and experiment with Xero's many features. For more tips, tricks and tutorials on making the most of your financial software, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Happy accounting!